all y'all want to see. Get that roll of stuff off the front. Put it over here. Buckle up. I ain't looking to catch no $400 ticket for not wearing my seatbelt. That does no justice to how this thing sounds in person. And this is just a single 3-inch Magnaflow Magnapack. No true duals, no X-pipe, nothing. Doesn't even have headers. Get out on an open road here. My neighbors love me to death. Nice thing is at about 55, 60, this thing claps like crazy. But when you throttle back, it cruises. Now, like I said, this is a single 3-inch Magnaflow Magnapack with 4-inch angle cut tips. Well, there you go. Y'all got any questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Y'all stay tuned for more. Later.